Hello, this is activity 3.5, our presentation 3. My name is David Caraveo. The subject of this video is what to do when someone reports your equipment. Hello, on this video we're gonna watch what to do when someone reports your equipment. On other videos we were watching about Blare, the company where I work. Now I will explain a little more about Blare and its trouble reports. First, I'm going to show you the next video. It's a recreation what you need to do when a call calls. Hello, it's Blare. You want to do a report from an accession machine? Okay, can you give me the name who is reporting the equipment? Okay. Is Carlos Buñuelos engineer? Excuse me, can you give me the chart that you have? Okay. You are the chief of the department. Excuse me, could you give me the name of the hospital? In 67, okay. Do you want to report an station machine, isn't it? Do you have the ID of the station machine? Yeah, it's O162S62402. Okay. The fail that you're reporting, which it is it? The equipment doesn't want to turn on. Okay. Excuse me, do you know if you have a failed electricity machine in there? No? Okay. I'm going to give you the number of your report. The report is M35. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, now these are the steps you need to do. Number 1. Answer the phone. Number 2. After you say Blare, first you need to ask, how may I help you? Number 3. If they say that they need to report equipment, you take your report logs. Number 4. These are the following questions you need to fill up in your report log. A. The name of the reporter. B. The chart that he has. C. The name of the institution. The institution could be a hospital in this case. D. Which equipment has the fault? E. The ID, model of the equipment. And finally, F. The fault that presents the equipment. Number 5. You're gonna ask, do you have another fault? Number 6. If he doesn't say if he has another fault, you are gonna give the ID of the report. 7. Later you finish the report with a database adding the next tappings, contract number, and folio of the service order. After all this, your report is almost finished. The next person, service department, who is going to fix the failure on the machine, and then the engineers come back to the office, he needs to write in the report log when he did the maintenance. Now I'm going to show you the report log and the service order you need to fill. First, I'm going to show you the report log. Now this is the report log. Here is who is reporting, the charge, the name of the institution, this the mail, the telephone, the number contract, and maybe the hour. You're going to fill it after the person who reports you hang up the phone. The number of the inventory doesn't important. even the ubication. But the more important thing is the file. You need to write down which file you're gonna have in this case. Now, as you remember, I told you you need to put the folio of the service order. Here is the space of it. Now I want to show you the service order. So can you see? We have the client data is the name of the institution, what kind of maintenance it's gonna have. If you use some replacements, and here is the data of the equipment. The date, this date is very important because it's the day when you did the report, and this date is gonna reflect on the log in here. So this is the service order. Here is the name of the engineer who went to the institution. In conclusion, it's important to have a log where you have all your reports because you have documents that encourage you behind a review of your work. Thank you to hear me.